what's up guys, how you doing? So today we're going to be unboxing this Roxy thingy that we got from soon video coming, and we got a special guest, Isa Gamer 100.
Hello guys, hello.
Subscribe to his channel, Isa Gamer 100.
EISA by the way, not ESSA because you
We
need to make sure.
This came to my house
today. This guy's unboxing Freddy. His
Freddy
name is
Fazbear.
Roxy. I meant
Freddy
his name is
Fazbear.
Roxy.
Okay, I might be a wee bit rough, alright? Alright?
We'll cut this.
Alright,
We'll
alright.
cut to this.
No.
We'll cut.
Okay, I got that bit. Not too. I've been waiting. It scares me a wee bit.
Loki though, be scary.
Sorry, guys. Sorry that I'm being violent, but
Yeah,
not
violent.
violent.
A little bit.
Okay.
Oh, now we got.
Okay.
The satisfying part.
We'll be back. I'm gonna go get some scissors. We're back with the scissors. Let's just cut it. Huh. No, the legs. So quiet. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm not gonna let you might break the head.
Bro just said,
he needs some milk.
Weirdo.
Kiwi Bruce Gojo. He has some nice goofer. He's got a low taper fade.
Yeah, look at this low taper fade.
Low taper fade.
Well,
He has big horns.
nah, his barber gave him a little bald spot, so not gonna lie, look. Me with bald spots.
Who's Korean probably. His barber's probably Korean. You want a side or a stone?
What the hell is that?
Oh, the hand came off. Oh. Be low-key.
Looky drippy.
Be low-key. No arm. 20 years be like.
2,000 years. And then this bit breaks off. Great.
And that being doesn't end, but good job. You failed your mission. Mission accomplished.
You mean failed?
Mission
Try to
failed.
play.
Come next time.
Oh,
I thought it was actually a bear for a minute. Nah, crazy.
And I'm hydrating.
We go drippy.
I'm young,
Gotta
black
go
and rich.
drippy.
They try to sell me that. Okay, guys, that's all for today. And
Gotta be like that.
and what?
We have to give him a real show. As character.
Is the hand broken?
Kind of, I think. Did you not know? Roxy is a fuddy. Look at his tail.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. And we're gonna be doing an action thingy next time.
Please subscribe.
Yeah,
Like and
please.
subscribe.